RJ, you have a brand new backpack?
They're still thing.
Huh?
Still cleaning.
Yeah, still cleaning. Here's the Residence Inns. There it is. Over here. Here he is. Oops. There's the office in the left. Where you go? We go back.
Oh, there's the bus.
Yeah.
Just missed it.
We not know where we go.
Yep, take a ride down the coast. Take a look. Oh, they got off. They went to Disneyland at
Yeah.
9 o'clock this morning. They're done.
Yeah.
1:45, they're done. It's on very low. Leave it on very low. There it is. Get a picture of it. It's right over there. There's our apartment right there. Take a picture. Motel 6 are next to it. There we are, downtown Anaheim,
Downtown Anaheim.
outside of Disneyland. Disneyland's in the outskirts. Broadway and Anaheim Boulevard. It is long. There we go. Nice little city. A little bit inland from the coast. It's pretty hot. It's 99 degrees out today. 99 on September 1st.
And
Southern LA area, Orange County.
Las Vegas.
108.
Oh, 108.
That's what we're in the parking lot. Going that way.